This is a 10-foot fiberglass dinghy that was originally made in Vero Beach, Florida. And it's called a Trinka. It was built by the Johansson brothers in Vero Beach, Florida. This is 10 feet. They made an 8-footer and they made a 12-footer. Very similar to the Bauer dinghies that I've owned. I owned a 10-foot Bauer and a 12-foot Bauer. This is a 10-foot Trinka. Very, very sturdy fiberglass construction with teak wood trim and seat. This is the sailing model, so it has a centerboard and a rudder and tiller and one sail. The boat weighs about 140 pounds and is designed to carry about 500 pounds of payload. This particular boat must have been a dinghy for a large sailboat because the name has been engraved on the transom there, and I would say it says Nabucco or Nabucco, and I don't know if that's the name of the dinghy, but I suspect it's the name of the mothership. So it was built in 1996. So you're looking at a 30-year-old boat. Isn't that crazy? Look at the hull and the gel coat on this boat. This is a 30-year-old boat. Obviously, it's been taken care of by previous owners. The man I got it from bought it in South Carolina and hauled it to Cocoa Beach, where I purchased it from him. But he only owned it about 6 or 7 years. But the rub rail is in very, very good shape, which is a real plus for a boat this old. I always look for boats like these that have good rub rails. A little bit worn here because of the oars. So it has been used, but the teak is in excellent condition. It was filthy. You cannot imagine how filthy this boat was and the teak was before I cleaned it and oiled it. But I am very, very happy with the purchase of this boat. I'm looking forward to getting in the water soon, probably in the next couple days, rowing it and sailing it. They have a wonderful reputation for sailing very well and rowing very well. So there it is. 1996 Trinka 10-foot sailing dinghy.